So unique. Gathered here another Mantis knife, improved engineering. Let's see what this thing is about. They said here MK4R. So that looks like a balisong, but it has a button over here. You hold it like this and press it, and look, it's almost kicks it out. And then it's like sitting over here. We got it here, carabid knife. So this is like a butterfly carabid. And then whenever you press this, you see it will kick this out. And to close it, you actually have to push this down and lock it. That is one of a kind. So there's a clip this way, so it'll be in a pocket this way. So you pull it out and then press the button and then it locks. That is quite fun. Look at the thick blade, huge carabid, open some boxes. Very interesting. That's how you can hold it. Obviously the wiggly handle a little bit when you grip it hard, but that's just design of a knife. Butterfly knives and balisong knives gonna be moving quite a bit all the time. So you flip this over, lock it in. Looks like the clip is movable. Pretty awesome. But it's so cool. Let's try to open it and flip it, see if it will go all the way around. That's quite nice. Can I get any faster? I definitely want to close quickly. See if I can do this with the right hand. No, I kind of like it left-handed right now. Okay. Yeah, that's fun. Okay, and then close it. So unique, definitely one of a kind knife. Pretty fidgety a little bit. That is hilarious. You see how it just flies out open? Let's see if we can do this one good time. Ah, hit my finger. So it's quite easy to open it and close it. Just lift it this way, lock it. Okay, let's see if I can do it. So unique.